Okay, guys, real quick, I'm going to try to keep this as simple as possible. Uh, this strategy is pretty easy. I mean, it's a 3 candle with a sweep. So as you can see, this 1, 2, and 3 are my 3 hourly candles represented on this 1 minute chart. So here's the low. I'm expecting higher prices because they've been going higher all week, so I'm not going to fight the trend. It kills me every time I try. Here's the first hour, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock hour sweeps. And it has to finish back inside the range of the first hour, and it does. It actually finishes above. So on the third hourly candle, at the around the 30-minute mark or the 50-minute mark of that hour, I'm going to look for a sweep of a low, since I'm looking for higher prices, and then I'm going to enter at a close above this 21 EMA, which is the purple line. So here's your 9:30 open. It sweeps this intermediate term low, which is just a low that kind of forms inside of a fair value gap. So it sweeps that low. It closes above the 21 EMA. It sweeps below the 21 EMA. It's above VWAP, which is where I like for it to be if I'm going to go long. So there's my entry. It was a good entry. Not a great exit. My target was actually here, but I had my trailing stop set. I had the wrong one. I had the one for ES instead of the one for NQ. The one for NQ is a larger profit target before my trailing stop triggers, if that makes sense. So anyway, it stopped me out with, I don't know, 8 points or something like that on just one contract. So anyway, it worked. This orange line represents midnight. So basically here's the summary. It's 3 candle model with a sweep. The sweep of a intermediate term low at the 30 or 50-minute mark. Entry at close above the 21 EMA. Target was 8:30 news high, which is what this is. This is 8:30 news. And I just didn't get to the target. I messed that part of the trade up. I'm still learning. Like I said, this is a 50K eval for Apex. See if I can pass it. See if I can get to the payout point. And this right here, this move right here, there was news at 10 o'clock. And that is why you do not hold through news. Do not hold through news events, especially major news events, because it can just turn around and absolutely stop you out. Or if you don't have a stop, it can blow your account. So just don't trade through those big news events. You can trade before them. We traded in between the 8:30 and the 10 o'clock news event because it gave us an opportunity. That's all. So if you have any questions about this model, it's really simple. Please go back and back test it. Don't trust me. I am not a financial advisor. I am just working to become a little more consistent and hold myself accountable and be patient and wait for my setup before I take a trade. And if I don't get the setup, don't take a trade. So any questions or comments, good or bad, you can leave them. I'll try to answer any questions. Thanks for watching.